Hi guys, Omarr here with the S4. This video is just going to be about how to use the Translator app on your Samsung Galaxy S4. Now there's nothing like this on your Samsung Galaxy S3, so it is a useful application to have on your phone when you go abroad. Let me just talk you through the interface. So on the top here is what you see translated into whatever language you've got set up. At the moment I've just got Spanish, and on the bottom is what you type in or what you say. And that's obviously English UK. On the bottom here you've got the green and the blue buttons. The blue button is when you want to say a sentence in English, it will show up here, and then you can obviously speak Spanish and it will show up over there. We're going to try English first, just to try this. So we're just going to do when is the next train? What time is the next train? So then it will recognize it like this, then it will then translate. So you can either press the button if it hasn't done it, or you can just use whatever it's got. And then Spanish, so it will then translate into Spanish. You press the green button there to translate into English, well, to for it to say whatever you've typed in down here. These buttons here just extend the screen. So if you've got if you've copied and text and pasted a sentence or a paragraph, then you can obviously extend the screen to see all of that. Now one of the things on these settings which is pretty good is preset phrases. Now these are basically just preset phrases. You can go on the top here and choose what area, what category you want the preset phrases to be. If we just do greetings in Spanish, and then we just do for example everyday greetings, something that we'll know. So of course hola is hello. If we can obviously do that, hello, and then that's just the English version. Of course you can do I'll be back, and then welcome back. Yeah, so basically it just gives the user the ability to do something really quick, instead of someone saying something to you while on holiday and you having to pull out your phone, type something in and then translate it over. Whereas you can just go on to preset phrases and have a look for it. Something should be there. There's loads and loads of categories that you can have a look at, as you can see there. And then the keywords that you just have to type in. You may get something, on the rare occasion you would have to obviously type something in. Let's just do goodbye. Adios. So, and that's just Spanish. Now, one of the things about this application is that the standard languages that it supports are basically these. Now, when you translate into these, when you translate into whatever language, the quality is very poor. Now, if I just, because I've already downloaded the extra add-on, if I just do French as like that, and if I just translate into French, it will give me this message: high quality voice file will be downloaded from the French for the French language. To hear the high quality TTS voice, download a high quality voice file. Now what that means is that it's going to download a high quality voice file, which you'll just go into the Samsung App Store to do that. It is free, and as you can see there is about 87 megabytes, so it's quite large if you want to download a couple of them. But it just gives you a clearer sound when you translate into whatever language. Another thing that you can go into is obviously have your favorite phrases, and you can have a look at your history. So if you tend to go places on holiday where you're asking the same question, then obviously you can have a look at that. One of the things is that you can change the rate at which the sentences are spoken. So you can have very fast, normal, slow, very slow. So that was just a quick look at the Translator app on your Samsung Galaxy S4. And see you in the next one, guys.